Severe floods in southeastern Brazil have killed at least 25 people and left dozens missing in the state of Minas Gerais, officials said on February 24, 2026. Meteorologists warn that more rain is expected in the region in the next few days. The torrential rains began on February 23rd in the cities of Juiz de Fora and Uba, about 310 kilometers north of Rio de Janeiro, forcing about 440 residents to evacuate their homes. Rescue teams retrieved bodies from debris and thick mud on February 24th after a landslide triggered by heavy rains killed at least 18 in Juiz de Fora. It also forced the suspension of classes in municipal schools.
A maior dificuldade é a área, que é muito grande, são 12 residências, um volume grande de familiares que estavam dentro de casa, porque era um momento de chuva, à noite. Então a gente vem fazendo apanhado desse pessoal para prestar o melhor atendimento possível. Só que o volume de terra é muito grande, então a gente vem trabalhando de forma minuciosa para atender da melhor forma os familiares e as vítimas. É um trabalho demorado e minucioso.
Brazil's federal government has recognized a state of calamity in Juiz de Fora. Much of Brazil is in the peak of its summer rainy season from December to March, when intense downpours can trigger floods and mudslides. Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva said on his social media channels that security forces are working on the rescue and providing immediate assistance to the population affected by the rain.